Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Can two equipotential surfaces intersect each other? If they intersect, give reasons to justify your answer. For that, please note the key concept of this question, which says equipotential surface is the one where the value of electric potential is same at all points of that surface. So let's draw the electric field equipotential surfaces for a point charge whose electric field distribution will be like this. They will appear to be emerging out from this point charge Q. Now since electric potential is defined as K, Q upon R, so at a distance R from this point charge at every direction, we will get the same magnitude of electric potential. On joining them, we will get a sphere which is of radius R1. Let's draw another equipotential surface of radius, let's say R2. So this is another equipotential surface which is of radius R2. So according to the figure, potential at each point of, let's say, first equipotential surface must be same, and potential at each point, let's say from here, here, or at any point, the potential at any point in the second equipotential surface must be same. So the value we calculated for first equipotential surface, the value of potential, we get 6 volt, and the value of second equipotential surface is, let's say, 4 volt. Now let's see what happens when they intersect each other. So every point on this first equipotential surface will say my potential is 6 volt, and same will be the case for this equipotential surface. Every point on this equipotential surface will say that my potential is 4 volt. Now at intersecting point, this is saying that I have 6 volt and 4 volt as well, but this is not possible. That is, a single point cannot have values of electric potential. Hence, two equipotential surfaces never intersect each other. So स्टूडेंट्स, हमने देखा कि अगर दो इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेसेस इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे तो एक ही पॉइंट पर हमें दो वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल मिलेगी, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकती. सो इस कारण से हम कह सकते हैं डेट इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेसेस नेवर इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. आई होप आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आया. थैंक यू.